In this video, I want to talk to you about how to prime a hard to prime swimming pool pump. Now, I've been told in advance of starting this one up, I'm gonna have problems with it here. It's a long uphill pull to this pump, and the pipes are pretty old. There's likely some leaks in the suction line somewhere, and it's like trying to drink through a straw with a hole in it. It's very hard to do. So it's hard for the pump to get primed and get started. So why don't I just film this? I'll show you the process that I use to help get this going. And just to let you know what we're dealing with here, it's a super flow pump with two suction lines. We've got a main drain and we've got a skimmer suction line. And depending on how this goes, what I might try to do is close one of the two. Instead of priming both lines at the same time, I'll just focus on priming one, get that going, and then if I can, I'll slowly open the other one, bleeding that air out. One of these two suction lines is more leak-free than the other. One of them, when I isolated it, I immediately lost prime and lost every dribble of water. Switch over to the other one and immediately I get that water pull back. Like, it's struggling. I can see it struggling, but it's trying. And so I'm gonna let it run for 3-5 minutes here. Then I'm gonna refill with water and we're gonna prime it up again. But for now, I'm gonna leave it on this. I don't know whether it's the main drain or the suction, but one of the two seems to be in better condition. So I'm just gonna leave that as the only one open for now until I get this pump primed up. Here we go. It's gonna catch. Don't miss it. Took a little while, but we got her. Okay, there, now we're on both suction lines. That was hard to prime, but I didn't do anything really special. Just keep adding more water, make sure your gaskets are good. The shaving cream's a great tip for just sealing up tiny little leaks, which can be a problem that makes a pump not prime properly. It's running great now. There's not even any air visible through the chamber. Like, take a look now. This is pretty good. Just took a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, a little bit extra water. We got her primed up.